Hello everyone, welcome back to the GIS software video series. On previous videos, we tried to find a suitable area for setting up a school and we have seen to how to make a model. So today we're going to combine them. So today we're going to make a model which will help us to find location for setting up a school. So today we'll find a area using a model for suitability. So let's jump on it. First, we'll add the data of the all suitability analysis. So we'll add it here. So this is our data. Now we'll bring the model, which is the model builder. So this is it. So we will run all the steps we need for finding a place which is suitable for a school. So first we have to set up the environment of this model. So we go to the model and here we will see the model properties here. So here from we can see general parameters environment. So in this environment we will select the processing unit we need it and the raster analysis. So if we go to its value, we'll set the processing unit, the extent will be same as land use and the snap raster will be the land use and the raster analysis, the cell size will be the land use and the mask is also will be the land use. So hit OK and apply and OK. So the environment of this model has been set. Now we have to run all the steps we needed for suitability analysis. So first we are gonna calculate the slope of the elevation which we did earlier in our suitability test. So first we'll search slope here, slope. So here it is. Now what we'll do, we will drag this slope here, toolbox. So take it here and now what we do. So first we have to double click on the slope and here we can see the input raster. So we will input the raster here which is the elevation and we'll save it here, slope dot if. Save it and okay. So it has been done. Now what we'll do, we will calculate the equidistance of the road of the schools and the equation sites which we did in suitability analysis. So we'll search for distance. Here is the Euclidean distance, so we'll drag it here. We need two Euclidean distance because we have to find the recreational size and school distance, so we'll drag two of them. And now it looks so messy, we'll fix it later. So we click on the Euclidean distance and we'll input the raster which is the school and we'll save the raster. So we'll save it as school dot is dot if. Save it and we hit OK. And again we'll click on another Euclidean distance and here we'll set the recreational site and we'll save it. Save and we'll hit OK. And now we'll need the land use also in this area because our criteria is the slope, school, recreational site and the land use. So we'll drag the land use feature class to here. Now it is seen that it's very messy and so to fix it we will click on this auto layout option. So as you can see it has been done visually good. So now we have to run the test to save our output. So we'll run it. So it has been done. Now what we'll do, we need to reclassify all these features. So we'll search here for reclassify. We need four reclassifier tool because all the four criteria have to be reclassified. So we'll do 1, 2, 3 and 4. So again we auto layout first we will reclassify the side distance. So we will connect it from the recreation distance out Euclidean distance output of recreational site. So we'll connect option, and here we will take it and we input the raster. Okay, and land use also be reclassified. So we'll reclassify to an input raster, and again the school's Euclidean distance will be reclassified input raster, and the slope will be also reclassified. So we'll take it, and it also look messier. So we again click on the auto layout. So it is done well. Now we have to reclassify the factors. So first we'll click on the land use. Here we'll reclassify like before in our suitability analysis. So we will reclass the field. Here we don't need this water and the wetland, and now we'll give them a value according to our manual, which is the agriculture 10, barren 6, agriculture 10, barren 6, and brush 5 and built up 3, brush 5 and built up 3, and the forest data will 4. So it has been done, and changed missing values to no data, and we'll save it, which is land use reclass dot if. We'll save and okay. So the criteria has been set. We will reclassify the reclassification site also. Here we will classify the value equal interval, and the classes will be 10 as we did before, and change it to missing value. And the reclassification site we will reverse the new values as we did before. So the output raster will be dot class if. We save and we hit OK. So the reclassification site has been declassified, and the stand for school declassify equal interval, the classes will be 10, and we hit OK, and this value is right, and the output raster will be school dot reclass dot if. Save and we hit OK, and the last one, the elevation has to be declassified. So we'll classify and equal interval classes to 10, and the value will be reverse and change to missing values. Our output will be slope dot slope reclass dot if. Save and okay. So the all the four criteria has been declassified. Now we'll need the raster calculator or weighted overlay to count the area. We'll use the weighted overlay in this time. So we'll go to search and search for weighted overlay. So it is here, and we click it. No, sorry, we're gonna drag the weighted overlay here and put it here, and we will connect all of four classified criteria here. So we'll connect it, weighted overlay, weighted overlay, and the connection has been made. Now we'll put the weighted overlays criteria. So first we have to set the evaluation scale, which is 1 to 10 by 1, and we will reclassify the influence of the area, land use influence, which is 12, recreational influence will be 50, school will be 25, and the slope will be 13. So the sum of the influence is 100%. Now we'll set the values of this area. We'll give it 5, 6, 10, change the values. So the value is being set. So we'll save it now, which is weighted, dot it, save it, and okay. So the all the criteria has been set. Now we have to see the run the model. So we'll here we'll right click on the weighted overlay and add to display. Now we have to run the weighted overlay to see if our model works. So this is our model. We'll over auto layer this to see it more visual, very good. So this is our model. Now we will run it to see it is effective or not. So it has been run completed. So our formula, our desired site for setting up a school is here. So as you can see that this model is working very effectively and successfully. So the model we built is done for a suitability analysis. So that's how we can create a model for our suitability analysis, and we can also create other models for doing other jobs. So that's for all today. Thank you everyone.